This device is designed to be used for vacuuming dry dust in high out-of-reach areas in Zone 22 explosive environments. Each ATEX environment has its own official classification document, where it is stated what kind of equipment can be used in that environment. Please make sure that you always use the correct filter and dust bag with your unit. Some models have an automatic filter cleaning function. In other models, the filter is cleaned by covering the vacuum port with your hand and pressing the clean button 3 times. The A37G model has an indicator that shows when cleaning is required. Turn the unit on with the switch. The hose cuff is connected to the vacuum port in the front of the vac container. Fasten the pole cuff to the carbon fibre pole. The next poles are connected so that the SkyVac logos are always upwards. Fasten a suitable neck and a tool that is certified for ATEX environments. This can be verified by a warning triangle. Be sure that the tool is securely fastened. The smaller brushes are used for more delicate and narrow places. The half-round brushes are excellent for pipes. Clean the joints of the poles with a microfiber cloth. These poles conduct electricity. Only use equipment that meets the requirements of ATEX legislation.